Dear students, in the earlier lecture, we have studied about binary number system and decimal number system. Now today we will learn about octal number system and hexadecimal number system. Now in brief, let's revise what we have taught you in the earlier lecture. First question is, what is number system? A number system is a way to represent numbers. One of the earliest number system is based on 10 fingers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a decimal number system contains 0 to 9. And in binary number system, there are only two digits, 0 and 1. And then what is a base? What is a base? Since decimal number system uses 10 unique symbols to form the numbers, its base is 10. Base is also called radix. What is the base of binary number system? Since only two digits are used to represent binary numbers, so binary number has a base 2. Now let's discuss about octal number system. Octal number system is a base 8 number system. That is, it uses 8 unique symbols to represent numbers. This means that there are 8 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These 8 numbers are used to represent a octal number system. Next term is hexadecimal number system. What is hexa number system? Hexadecimal number system is a base 16. Let's see here, its base is 16. It has 16 unique symbols to represent numbers 0 to 9 and A to F. These all 16 numbers are used to represent hexadecimal number system. And we have already studied about conversion, means binary to decimal and decimal to binary. Let's discuss some examples. A decimal number 100 is written as 100 to the base 10. Similarly, a binary number system 100 is written as base 2. Here is 100 in base 10 means it is decimal, and here 100 is, here base is 2 means that it is in binary number system. An octal number 100 is written as 1008. Its base is 8 or radix is 8, so it is in octal number system. A hexal number system 100 is written as 100 to the base 16. Now let's discuss some exercises that given in your book. Let's see question number 8. Identify the name of number system from the following values. Means you have to identify in which base these numbers are given. The first number is A6, base is 16, means it is hexadecimal number system. A13B16 means it is also in hexadecimal number system. 3708, this is in octal number system since base is 8. 272, base is 8 means it is in octal number system. 1055, base is 10 means it is in decimal number system. 20000, base 10 means it is in decimal number system. 1000, base 10 means it is in decimal number system. This is in 1000, it is in binary number system. 1008, it is in octal number system, and 1000 is in, its base is 16, so it is in hexadecimal number system. So this is all about your first chapter, means number system. Yeah, I have already defined the basic concept of number system. Now I give you some examples. Here, let's see. This is assignment for you. Here, question number 2. Match the number system with their correct bases. Means you have to match, you have to identify the base of the decimal, binary of octal and hexadecimal. So question number 2, you have to write in your fair copy and also post in the group. So that's all for the today. Thank you.